Hey guys, welcome back to another video, I guess. I'm sorry it's been quite some time. Um, I have been involved in a hackathon where we made, I mean, it was a 36-hour hackathon and we had a really nice time there. One thing I realized was coding for 36 hours is entirely different uh, when you're with um, a huge group of developers. It's really an awesome feeling, and I learned so much from it. Most of it was personal, um, in a sense that I didn't learn something new about coding there. All I knew about was that I'll be coding for the next 36 hours, but that experience of being able to code continuously with very less sleep. Others were having coffee and caffeine, but since I'm one of those coders, I would hope that there are more of me, but I'm one of those coders who doesn't like caffeine or coffee. So I was at the mercy of my own will. Uh, anyway, so this was the basic app which we made, in the sense that when we added something using the post request here with our postman, we got the basic pop-up, not pop-up, the update here itself. For those of you who did not see that happening, please check out my MERN coding part three. I think it's gonna be part three. I hope so. I'm right. But anyway, today what we are gonna do, or what I hope we are gonna do, is attach this comments form to the server and get the post requests. But if you see at the moment, if we type something, let's say I am saying like Ronaldo is the best. No, I don't think Ronaldo is the best. Um, since I'm a Real Madrid fan, my favorite player is Isco or Toni Kroos. So I'm gonna go with Isco. And I don't know why this thing popped up, but let's just hope that. Okay, let's just hope that this works. When you post it, we designed the code in such a way that here, no, not here, here, that it would console.log the author, that's me, and the comment which I posted, which is Abhishek said Isco Disco. Pretty, pretty okay, pretty decent, but that doesn't do the job of putting this into our backend. And that is exactly what we're going to do this time around. So there are certain changes that we have to make. First of them being we have to, let's say, handle comments posted to the database. And we do that by defining a function, let's say handle comment submit. And then here we are gonna take a comment, which I'm gonna talk about as soon as we return a comment from the comment form. Um, so here we're going to define submission. No, submission. Okay, sorry about that. What we're going to do is we're going to pass this function as props so that we can use it in the comment form section. So we're going to pass this again. I have this habit of writing comments when I want to write comments on comment, not comment, on comment, submit. What I want to do is go with this dot no comment submit. One more thing that we probably need to do is bind this. This dot so comment submit. This dot comment submit. Oh shit. Comment submit. Dot bind. Yes. Now that that's taken care of, what I would like to do is define a little bit about it using as we have used Axios to get that request. What we're going to do is go with axios.post. It's going to be similar in the sense that we are going to be posting this dot. We're going to be posting. I keep forgetting that this feature is the autocomplete feature, and it's going to take another parameter, which is going to be the comment, which is this one. This guy and this guy are the same. And since this is a promise-based function rather than a callback thing, we are going to have a dot then, and we are going to do this. And upon doing that, we are going to go this dot load comments basically. Cool. So I think that's all there is to it, but also I'll like to attach a catch because I want to catch any errors that might happen. And at the moment, I'm just gonna console.log the error. Sorry if there's any disturbance outside, some weird people. And it always happens that whenever I get down to streaming live, a lot of weird people would start making noises, which is one of the reasons why I'm shifting to some other place, which would probably have some sense of privacy. Not that I don't have one right now, but sense of privacy in the sense that it will be quiet at night, generally, which is usually the case, but people go to sleep. Hence why I code at that time, because there's literally zero noise. But still, anyway. So what this should do is this would post on the URL which we are giving, which is, if you go here, it's this one, localhost 3100/comments. And that URL be used for post, and we're going to be posting comments. Now, understand that we had two parameters, author and comment, inside this comment, which we'll be pushing back. So as far as comment box is concerned, this is all there is to it. So I'm not going to save it right now because of the hot reloading thing. I don't want to show any app breaking, whatever. So let's go to our form, and here in the handle submit part, let's remove this, because if we get this right, then we won't be needing to console.log it. So what we'll do right now is we're going to define two variables. One will be author, and that would be dot state dot author. We are trimming them. Anyway, on that, it's going to be comment, which will be this dot. I'm not going to use again. Add this dot text. Let's write comment. Let's not write comment. Let's write text, because that is how the documentation which we have been following is. And Yeah, that's it. Let's get the text from the state, which is this guy, and have a trim set up for that. What we are going to do now is, excuse me, if we're going to check that if we do not have any text or we do not have any author, and we are just going to return an undefined value or something. But if that's not the case, we're going to use this dot props dot on. What did we have? Sorry about that. We had on comment submit, which is here. We are passing this as props inside comment form. So on submit, hopefully I'm typing the right spellings. And on comment submit, we are going to return, what do you know, comments. And it's going to have basically two things. It's going to have one author, which is going to be this guy, and we're going to have a text, which is going to be this guy again. Now, for those of you who might be a bit confused about which is which, this author regards to this one, and this text is this one. So we are sending authors for that, and everything is fine, but there's just one feature which I would like to add on to, is that I'm going to set this dot props. Let's set state. Not that. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to set the state the author as a null string and the text as a null string as well. What it does is that once the comment is sent to the function there, it's going to excuse me, it's going to set the form back to blank. Since the value of these forms are this dot state dot author, I hope you are able to understand why this is happening. If not, shoot the comment section and probably I'll be able to explain. Anyway, so hopefully most of the work is done. So let's check it out. Obviously, we can fail miserably, but let's see. Let's fail miserably. And upon saving them, hopefully on the reload, we don't get any errors. And let's just check here. We don't care about no more at the moment, so things look okay. Let's hope that this works. Again, we are going to use my favorite Kenty Dots. By the way, he has a new YouTube video, which is out. I hope to watch it. And also, there is this amazing channel. Hopefully, Phoenix. YouTube. Post there. Yeah, this channel. I hope I'm in the right one. Phoenix React JS. This channel is an amazing channel. I hope that those who have been using channels like these who have amazing content, please just give me a comment or just suggest me, because I need to learn React more and how this works, this amazing framework works. So it would be a massive help. So visit Phoenix React JS and obviously Kency Dots, which is Kent Dots family. And he released a video about macros. Although I don't know what they are, I'm definitely gonna watch them. It's about 40 minutes, so I guess before sleeping tonight, I'm gonna be watching that. Anyway, let's just hope that this works. So Kenty Dodds is saying that macros are cool. Macros are cool. And if everything goes well, and we post it, mm, well, something didn't work. Nice. What would be a coding thing without, errors? Huh. Okay. Mm, I know what's going wrong. We are sending on comment submit, and we are having this dot handle comment submit inside that. Let's do something. Let's go to our good old ways of debugging and checking where are things going wrong. So what I'm going to go do is write author, and it's going to have an author there. And let's do the same for text. I understand this is not the right way to do things, but I trust it to some extent. Okay, uh, let's just type in version at the moment. I don't know why this is happening, but if someone has any idea, please just tell me. When we post, yeah, something is wrong because it's not getting here. Uh, it's not working. If I comment this out, no, not this. I comment this part out and this part, not that one. Come on, this part out. Let's check what anything different happens. We don't have a text. Okay, so I think I know what the problem is because this is the problem. Uh, you see, we changed the state, the name of the state from text to comment. So that is the reason why it wasn't working. So you see, some good old-fashioned debugging can also help. I'm just gonna comment this out for the moment, and I'm pretty sure that it would work. It should work. Let's just go again. Come on, can't see dots. Do the dots magic. Okay. Dots. Oh my god. Let's just go with it again. Can't like macros. I am I not able to type it? Okay, something is wrong. Hmm. Here as well, we have to set it as text. This does say that text. Cool. Um, come on, man. Can't see dots. Forget about dot magic. Oh, it's working. I think that was the reason why we were getting that error. I'm sorry. Macros are cool. And now when we post it, boom, it's there. And when we do a get request, if I could work. Why am I not getting anything? There we go. Macros are cool. So that is how we are connecting our comment from that to basic, well, the database which we have using Axios. Um, Next, what we'll be doing in the next lectures, not lectures, next experiences, is we are going to optimize the comments a little bit, and we are going to put the update and delete in the CRUD. One of the things which are the errors is that always have one guard running before you run this thing, because it throws errors like so. It has thrown error, but still it works in some sense. I don't know what is causing that error. I have tried removing node modules and reinstalling them, but still that error doesn't go. So I'm not really concerned with this as long as this works, but there's obviously some kind of error. So yeah, sorry, this was the error. I'm so sorry. Anyway, I'll probably have to kill the some of the node processes which are running. We'll do that later, but always have OneGuard running before running this, because the error which it throws, it can really throw you off track. And the other thing which I wanted to tell, damn it, I forgot. Hmm. Let's see if I can remember it. There were two errors which I wanted to focus on. Anyway, so at the moment, that's it. Um, can see that has been really active in our comment section, and I really appreciate it. But let's just let's just end it there. Yeah. I remember what I wanted to tell about the update and delete. Um, those features can give a lot of errors, so we have to set header in this part. This part is essential if you wanted to update and let's say delete, because options, update, all of these are not really REST API materials. And this course problem, cross-origin resource sharing thing, and this problem is taken care of by this snippet. So it's essential. It's really essential that we have this. Uh, yeah. So that's about it. I'll end this now. So see you in the next video, I guess. Happy coding.